Gold traded in a narrow zone, narrow range last week. We have seen it is struggling to break beyond 2530. That has become a critical milestone for it to break past by. In fact, despite a spike towards the end of the week, it has failed to break beyond 2530 and has traded bearish. And also on the downside, now see double bottom levels, 2470 levels here almost. So these three candles are very important, where we have seen gold is staying in the zone, neither willing to break on the upside nor on the downside. Now, what to expect in the coming week? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and I do share my twice a day updates. So gold first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the Euro session. Do watch both. The subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. In this update, first we look into charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do watch till. Now see, look at these three candles. Almost you can see indecision is seen here. Second thing is diminishing body size. A smaller red body is seen here, suggesting that there is bearishness as the candle is closed in red. Second most important thing is the double top levels, which is it is formed, that is at 2530. So as long as gold stays below 2530 32, I have been highlighting this range, I have been highlighting these levels for last 3 weeks, and beautifully these levels are respected. So now these levels have definitely strengthened, as 3 to 4 times prices have failed to break beyond. It has strengthened this level. Now it is going to be difficult for it to break beyond this, and whenever it breaks, it is going to bring very strong rally. Now see what is seen here. Red candle after the reversal, and this could be the first bearish candle. I expect that there could be a possible fall here, where the week starts on a bearish note, where the first trading session itself can bring the bears out, and once it breaks below this zone at 2460 2480, we can look forward to a good correction which can take the prices towards 2420 levels. But right now I will not say that till 2470, I will not say that it has turned bearish. Also, one of the milestones on the downside is towards 2450 level. So on the downside, there are very good support here for gold, and thus we have to watch out more closely how it behaves, because see, this is the channel in which it is trading higher lows and higher highs. Where are the lows of this channel? Towards 2450 levels. So these levels are again going to be important. Possibly it could try to deliver a red candle, try to move towards 2450, in fact 2420 levels, or in worst case it can try to keep moving towards the 20 period moving average. Now see, the diversion of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge, possibly if not this week, or it may wait a little for the moving average to climb up and then achieve these levels. So yes, next couple of weeks are going to be interesting for gold. On the upside, definitely there is a critical resistance which it is failing to break beyond. Also on the charts, you can see this red line. This is coming from monthly charts, and definitely these levels are important. Next observation here on the gold charts is, see, if you look at the weekly charts, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now see, a strong support is formed far below at 2300. Since then we have seen it trailing high, and now it may try to retrace a little, but again 2450 is going to be one critical milestone, and then 2420 levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD, if you look now, look at MACD. If you see the MACD on the weekly charts, rise, retracement, rise, it is retraced here and again trying to move up. Now see, already on the weekly charts it is the critical levels, because see, gold on the weekly charts, historically you have not seen MACD at such high levels. So there has to be a reversal, there has to be a retracement, there has to be a drop here. Now the question is how far it is going to stress this rise, whether it is going to rise for this couple of weeks or not, whether it is going to stay bullish for next few weeks or not. That is the point, because see, at best it can try to form a double top and reverse, but I can see it is struggling to stay bullish, and thus a reversal cannot be denied very soon. RSI is near to overbought levels. Coming to daily, now look at the daily chart. See, these levels are important here. You can see this, a reversal sign was seen here after 3 to 4 bearish candle. A reversal sign was seen, and then a good rise is what we have seen here. Next thing important is, none of the candles so far has closed below the 20 period moving average. That is the important observation here. Now 20 period moving average, any closer on the daily charts below 20 period moving average is a sign of bearishness, and thus coming week, first two sessions are going to remain critical. Any move below 2480 and then 2470 levels should be seen as a breakout here, where the prices may try to reverse. And look at this on the upside now, very strong resistance is seen here at 2530, which has now become a milestone for gold to break beyond. See this, multiple attempts to cross beyond 25, failing to do so, failing to stay above. We have seen prices reversing. Now look at these two candles, almost symmetrical, higher highs, lower lows, median here somewhere at around 2510, 2516. So on the upside now, this is going to be important if gold breaks beyond 2510, 2516. That is going to be the first hurdle, and next towards 2526, and then 2530, 32. So three hurdles gold has on the upside. If in the coming week you see prices staying above this, certainly you can say that we are looking forward to a breakout. Why it could? Because see, we have seen a greater support here at the 20 period moving average, and higher lows as well, higher highs as well. So it has to come out of this in order to trade bearish. As long as prices stays between this, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now on the downside, the 50 period moving average is going to be one good support, that is at around 2460. And if you look at the formation, moving averages right now are trading bullish. You can see these are looking upwards. Stochastic is rising as well, looking upwards. But look at MACD, it is crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, looking downwards, and it appears there is further more downside available for it. Though, if you look at the formation here, it appears that it can move on the upside. But right now, I can see the inclination is more on the towards the downside. RSI is also looking downwards. So we have seen the daily charts as well. Now coming to the monthly chart. See, on the monthly charts, you can see these three candles beautifully aligned. The peaks are beautifully aligned. Last month, we have seen a breach. This month, it has tried to move on the upside, failing to do so, precisely hitting the highs. Look at this line here, giving it a very strong resistance. Price is trying to reverse from the same zone. Now, also, second thing here is the diminishing bullishness, what we have seen in the last two candles. Despite it is staying bullish, we can see a diminishing body size. Now it has started with lower highs. Chances are there that we can see slight retracement. Chances are there that the prices can move towards 2400 here in the month of September. Now also one must notice that right now on the monthly charts, it is still staying bullish. Higher lows, higher highs are seen. Second thing is the diversion of the price from the 20 period moving average. Now see, where is the 20 period moving average sitting at? 2200, 2100 is the median of the Bollinger Bands. Now see, bands are expanded. 2100 is the median, and chances for the prices to move towards the median is what I am looking at. It is high. uh, in the near future, possibly we are looking forward to a slight bearishness in gold. Maybe in the next 3 months, we have to watch out more closely how it behaves. Mostly by the year end, there is a possibility that we can see prices retracing a little. Now, coming to the last and but not the least, the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see multiple attempts to break beyond 2530, failing to do so. We have seen sharp red candles here. Now, again, on the downside, it has to break below for 2480 first and then 2470. These levels are very important. And even if it breaks this, I can see a very good support coming in at around 2460 and then 2448, 50 levels. So these levels are definitely important, below which you can expect it to keep moving towards 2420 levels. Now see, on the 4-hour charts, a strong roof, or you can say ceiling, is formed, and now it is trying to retrace where is the next levels. It can try to come back towards this, and below this more drop can be seen. Stochastic already is looking downwards. MACD has crossed over again, trying to trade with slight bearishness. Possibly this crossover can lead to a strong bearish momentum in the coming few candles, and RSI has dropped. So now we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries related to the services. In our One Signals channel, we trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities from across the globe, and thus getting ample opportunity to profit throughout the day. Do not miss to join the Signals channel. And yes, those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you SAP-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and which offers you easier transactions and withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, coming week, I will recommend you to buy here at 2504, expect 2510, and then 25.16 the next. Beyond that, see, initially you will find these levels as a very strong resistance, but as in how each level is broken, we can say more bullish momentum may prevail here. Then 25.22, then 25.26, and then 25.30.32. Once this is broken, you can say that the bulls are back in action. We can look forward to 25.40, 25.50. And if 2550 is taken, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2575 and in fact 2600 very soon. Yes, these are markets. It shows you something and delivers something else. Right now, the momentum is bearish, but it can give you a breakout. On the up downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2494 itself. Expect 2489, 2484, 2478 and 2470 as the maximum support here. Below 2470 is where the bears are waiting. We can look forward to 2461, 2448, 2436 and then 2420 the favorite. Below 2420 stay short. We are looking forward to 2396, 2380 levels, possibly very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates and targets. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.